What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the LG Stylo 4 from Boost Mobile. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first of all, where did I get this device? This device is supposed to come out August 13th. Some of you may have seen the unboxings already on this device, but I actually got this device from Walmart and it was only $129. So it looks like it's going to be a little bit more at the Boost Mobile store. So if you want to get it at the cheapest price possible, Walmart does have this for $129. I know a ton of you actually can't find this variant anywhere at any of your Walmarts, but I have to say this has happened multiple times to me. So basically what I do every single time is there is actually a drawer at every single Walmart that they keep the unlocked and other prepaid phones that are new or whatever. So you're going to go ahead and ask one of the employees to open that drawer and they should have this phone inside of there. It's not going to be at every single Walmart, but definitely worth a try. But let's go ahead and take a look at the specifications on this device. So specifications that they highlight on the front of this device is the 6.2-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen with the stylus. It also says we have the fingerprint sensor, 32 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor. Now, as you guys do know, we do have a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor on the LG Stylo 4 for Metro PCS. So the specs are kind of watered down on the Boost Mobile version. It also says we have a 3300 milliamp battery with talk time up to 21 hours. We have a 13 megapixel main and we have a wide angle 5 megapixel front facing camera. I believe this does have Android 8.0 or 8.1. Not 100% sure, but let's go ahead and unbox this and see for sure. Alright guys, so we have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and go to the back of the box and tear this open. Alright, so we went ahead and tore open the box as you see there like a beast. I honestly hate these little sticky things that we have on the outside of the box, but here we have the LG Stylo 4. So we have the box right here and it looks like this holds all of the contents. Let's go ahead and cut this open. And now we'll open up the box. Alright guys, so first and foremost, we do have the Type-C data cable right here, which is pretty cool that we have Type-C on this device still. Next thing we have in here is our travel adapter. And here's the phone right here. It actually looks like it has a different design than the Metro PCS one. That is kind of weird right there, but let's go ahead and put this phone to the side. We have our SIM ejector tool. We also have our important information, which is most likely our user guide. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this device. Let's go ahead and take the screen protector off. Honestly, in the hand, this feels very similar to the LG Stylo 4 from Metro PCS. Obviously the same phone, but there is a different pattern on the back, which is very interesting. I'm not 100% sure what material this is. It's probably plastic again, like they did on the Metro PCS version. But I wonder if it scratches as easy. Alright guys, so first and foremost, we have the earpiece at the top of the LG Stylo 4. We have our front-facing camera. Looks like we have our proximity light sensor. Bottom of the phone, we have a very, very small chin. Right side of the phone, we have our power button. Left side of the phone, we have our volume up and down button, and it is spaced, so I actually really like when it's spaced. And below that as well, we do have the SIM tray. Very bottom of the phone, we have our stylus. We also have our speaker. We have our Type-C port. We have our noise-canceling mic, and we have a 3.5mm head jack. Pretty much all that's at the top of the device is a noise canceling mic. Alright, now going to the back of the device. First and foremost, I wanted to take the Metro PCS LG Stylo 4. I don't know if you guys can tell right here, but the pattern is different on the back of this device, and honestly like the pattern better on the Boost Mobile version. It's kind of like a linear pattern going sideways and stuff, but it's kind of weird, honestly. But on the back of this device, we have the 13 megapixel rear facing camera, we have the LED flash, and we have the fingerprint sensor just below that. We also have the IMEI information right here, and we have an LG emblem, nothing else on the back. Alright guys, next I'm going to go ahead and boot up the LG Stylo 4, so let's go ahead and boot that up and see what's up. Alright guys, the phone is now booted up. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the software as one of the first things on this device. Let's go ahead and go to general, go to about phone, go to software version, and it looks like we have 8 10.1, so we do have Android O on this. This is the same as the LG Stylo 4 from Metro PCS. Now taking a look at these phones so far, it's pretty much identical to the LG Stylo 4 from Metro PCS. Some of the things that I know that we lack already is one, instead of a 1.8 gigahertz processor, we have a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor. So we are losing some power right there. This device does not support NFC, so we don't have NFC on this device either. We still have 5G capabilities, which is pretty nice. We also have DTS audio still on this as well. Let's go ahead and go to the camera really quick. We're probably going to have the same camera that we have on the LG Stylo 4. And it looks like we do. We have the Q lens on here, which is pretty cool. As you guys know, I like the camera on the LG Stylo 4. Pretty sure this is going to be exactly the same as the one that is on, yeah, pretty much exactly the same as the one that is on Metro PCS, as you guys see right here. Do a little tour for you guys right here. Auto, food, match shot, guide shot, snapshot, all the different things that we had on the LG Stylo 4 camera for Metro PCS, we have it on the Boost Mobile version. So everything looks pretty good so far. But if you guys want me to actually put this phone up against the Metro PCS version, definitely put in the comments down below. That is something that I am considering because a lot of people are curious about that. But let's go ahead and take a look at the stylus really quick. Looks like we get the same features as last time. You can actually replace these features as well if you would like to. But everything looks to be the same other than the things that I already explained. But yeah, for $129, really great deal from Walmart. Again, if you guys want to pick this up, this is at Walmart for $129. Paid about $140 after everything was said and done, after all the taxes. So definitely a good device to pick up. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.